Good afternoon. This is Todd Horwitz coming here from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago. And as we continue to track the 30 U.S. Treasury bonds, what do we see? Well, we still have the Fed involved. Of course, they've been out speaking a little bit, and there is a chance and there's talk that they may not continue to hike rates, which would be a little bit bullish for the 30-year U.S. Treasuries and possibly push them higher. But I think what we really want to look into here is what we would call the pattern. Markets do make patterns. They do leave footprints, and the real pattern that we're in right now is we look like we're in a solid consolidation pattern from about 144 to about 146, and I think that somewhere inside there you want to sell the upper end of the range and you would look to be a buyer at the lower range. Now we're more sellers because we do believe that interest rates are going to hike no matter what the Fed decides to do, so we're looking to be sellers, and we would like to be sellers at 145.5 to 146. Those seems to be like a great levels, and since we have failed from there the last 2 or 3 attempts, it's something you'd look for, and it should, the next time down should take us all the way back through and probably down to the 140, 142 level. Again, when you look at the overall pattern and the footprint that a market leaves, that's really the money flow telling you, and right now the markets are in a little bit of a state of confusion. I think they caught the interest rate bulls or the bond bears kind of in a little bit of a funk here as they had a little bit of a short covering rally. In the last 2 days, it's been kind of interesting. The 30-year treasuries have opened much lower and then ended up rallying late, but again, still not up to even our resistance level we want to sell. So we'd like to be a seller at 145 and up to 146, looking for a dramatic pullback and looking for rates to go higher. That's the way we see it. This is Todd Horwitz coming to the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.